Okay, so in this video we're going to have a look at creating a retaining wall around that embankment. So I'm going to nip over to my site plan. Okay, zoom out. I've put a little section in by there to have a little look at later. Architecture wall. Now what I'm going to do is use the stone wall that I've made before. Not too important what structure you use at this point. And what I want to do then is change the constraints. I'm going to make it go down to my pond level, so well below ground. Top constraint, level 0, 1500 offset, which is the top level of this area here. And then I'm going to check I've got my finish face interior. There we go. Start at the top end over here. And I'm just going to line it up with the top of my embankment and then zoom in and follow this line around. And on this side here, I am going to deliberately just take it so the whole wall does extend out beyond the side. Just makes it a bit easier for us to see things on the side in 3D. And then this one I'll just take up a little bit as well. There. Okay, so when we look at that in 3D, we can see our wall going around there and sticking through the side by here. Now what I want to do is add a foundation to that. So I'm going to use the wall foundation. Okay, now again, I've done a video in the past where I show you how to edit those if you wish to, but for the time being, I'm just going to click on each of these walls and stick the foundation on the bottom. And we can see that's on that side there as well. So what I want to do now is crop out the geometry where those overlap as they go through there, through the actual rest of the site. So if I click on the modify, I'll escape out of that command, modify tab, we'll use the cut geometry command, click on the topo surface or toposolid, click on the wall, click on the toposolid, and then click on the foundation. Now, when we look at our section, we can see that it has cut away that geometry nicely, and we don't have the overlapping geometries. So there is a basic retaining wall and tidying up of the geometries at the end of it. So I hope you enjoyed the video.